So if you have a clamp like this that lost its feet here, what you can do is it still has some use. These holes here, you can take a piece of solid wire, run it through there, and then go like that. And then you take your vacuum hose and you wrap it around. Kind of hard to do this with one hand, so hang on a second. Is you take that wire and you wrap it around your vacuum hose like that. Then after you run it through the end of this clamp, and then you can put it right here next to your shop vise, and it's easily adjustable here. And then when you drill little pieces of wood or whatever, it's caught right away in your shop vac hose.